see that perfect row of gleaming white teeth in a thumbnail, and you think to yourself that maybe it really is that easy. We are living in an era where a quick fix for a smile is just a few clicks and a few dollars away. These snap-on veneers promise a movie star grin for the price of a takeout dinner. But there is a massive gap between how these things look on a screen and how they feel when you actually snap them over your natural teeth. People are flocking to these online listings because the cost of professional dental work is frankly terrifying. If you have a missing tooth or some staining that makes you self-conscious, seeing a solution for under $20 feels like a miracle. For a quick photo or a 30-second video, they might actually do the trick. They cover the gaps. They hide the discoloration. They give you that uniform look that people crave. But the moment you try to live a real life in them, the illusion starts to crumble. The most common feedback isn't just a little negative. It is remarkably consistent across the board. These things are bulky. They feel like you have a mouthful of plastic because, well, you do. Trying to speak clearly becomes a major challenge. You end up sounding like you are hiding a marble under your tongue. Then there is the eating situation. Most of these products are purely cosmetic. This means the second you bite into anything tougher than a piece of bread, things get weird. They can slip or even crack. It turns out that your mouth is an incredibly complex machine. A one-size-fits-all plastic shell cannot account for the unique curve of your jaw. It cannot match the way your bite aligns. That is where the experts come in. If you talk to anyone who has gone the professional route, they will tell you that the magic isn't in the material. The magic is in the fitting process. A real dentist takes impressions. They send them to a lab where technicians obsess over the tiny details of your mouth. That is why professional dentures or high-end veneers actually stay in place. They become part of you. These cheap online versions are more like a costume. They are great for a high school play. They work for a single profile picture where you do not have to move your lips. If you are looking for something to wear to a wedding just to get through the pictures, maybe it is worth the gamble. But for daily life, for eating a steak, for laughing loudly without fear of your teeth falling out, the cheap route usually ends in frustration. You get what you pay for in the world of dentistry. It is the difference between a custom-tailored suit and a plastic poncho. Both might keep you dry, but only one lets you move with confidence. People in the denture community are very vocal about this. They have learned the hard way that cutting corners on something you use every single second of the day is a recipe for regret. Your comfort is worth more than a bargain bin price tag. When you consider the long-term health of your gums and the remaining teeth you have, the professional path is not just about looks. It is about function and peace of mind. Investing in a real dental lab and a skilled professional ensures that your smile isn't just a mask you wear for the camera. It becomes a functional tool for living your life. The frustration of a poor fit is a heavy price to pay for a cheap product. Stick to the experts if you want a smile that actually works in the real world. Every penny spent on a professional fitting is an investment in your ability to speak, eat, and laugh without a single worry.